Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial I will discuss about how to change or how to remove your Apple ID primary email address. So how can I remove? So keep watching this video until the end. So before starting my video, please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates. For that, open setting application on your iPhone and tap on Apple ID name, and here is click on sign in and security, and here is my email address and my phone number. Tap on email address, and here is remove from account, and simply remove from account again. Now guys, enter your iPhone passcode. Now guys, enter your existing email address for a new email address adding. Enter your new email address. I am entering. So guys, after entering the email, tap on continue. And now guys, enter your verification code he sent to your email address. So here is email address verification code 865083. Now is verifying. You can see your primary email edit updated. So guys, your primary email address has been successfully added or changed, so you can see appears on screen. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.